I don't need no fraud. I don't need no drama when you call.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sabrina back with another video. If you're new here, welcome. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button right before you leave so you can stay tuned for more videos from me. Today I am doing a tutorial on how I slay my baby hairs on my synthetic wig. I know a lot of people have been questioning me about how I get my baby hairs usually, and I recently got this wig from Sam's Beauty, which I did do a review on, so please go ahead and check that video out as well. So this is basically how I usually do my edges on synthetic wigs. This should work for any synthetic wig from what I know of, so if you're ready to slay them edges, please continue watching. The items you'll need is a rat tail comb, some scissors, a toothbrush, Got2be glued, as well as a paddle brush. So the first step is to take that rat tail comb, and what we're going to do is just basically pull out some hairs from the wig, just very thin sections of the hair so that we can make our baby hairs. Don't make it too thick because when you do gel it down, it's going to look real thick. After doing that, we're going ahead and taking the scissors and we're going to cut at an angle down towards the baby hairs to create our baby hairs. You can make this as short as or as long as you want it to. Next, I'm going to take the Got2be Glue and just applying it in those baby hairs that I just cut out. And I just apply a small generous amount on there. Don't make it too thick because it does show up white. So lastly, I'm going to go ahead and take my toothbrush and I am just going to shape my edges. I'm just going to lay them flat first and just make them look slick. And then I'm going to take the brush and use my finger to help make curves in my baby hairs. And that is exactly how I do my baby hairs on my synthetic wigs. That's it for the tutorial. I'm going to fast forward to the other side because it's just basically the same thing.